Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know at 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of an eerie calm in equity and bond markets. Overnight, data out in Germany revealed that their industrial production saw its biggest drop in 2 years in May, weighed down by sharp falls in the construction and manufacturing sectors. The fall was a surprise, with most economists expecting no change in industrial output for that month. Going the other way, car sales in China rose a remarkable 14% in June. What was impressive is this is at the lower end of the market that was booming, the everyman sector. More steel is now being used in China for cars than for urbanisation. It's a dramatic spurt of consumerisation. Perhaps, however, it is time to be afraid, the calm before the storm, you might say. But equity investors are showing no fear at all. The fear index, the CBOE VIX, or volatility index, is unusually low and back at levels last seen in 2005-2006. At the Bank of International Settlements, regulators are considering new rules that would prevent banks from treating sovereign debt as risk-free and end the practice whereby banks themselves judge the credit risk of these assets. That would be especially dangerous for European banks, but also have worldwide implications for bank capital, banks' willingness to make loans to higher risk customers like small business, and the cost of capital for all banks. Investors also seem to be ignoring market signals that interest rates are rising and are piling back into bonds. Billions are moving back into bond funds on a daily basis. The standard advice is that these investors are risking heavy losses if bond yields rise. Overnight, yields on benchmark US Treasury 10-year bonds actually fell and are now at 2.61%. Both the gold and oil prices fell, with US oil slipping below $103 a barrel, and Brent is now down to $110 a barrel, a level has been at for more than 3 years. Gold is now down to $1,313 an ounce. We start today with the New Zealand dollar higher at 87.6 US cents and 93.5 Aussie cents. The TWI is now at 81.5 and still very close to its all-time high set 11 days ago. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.